Hey, welcome to my channel. Let's start off with, I don't know what that is. Brush. Wiping. You said what? Circle first. Sort of. This is where she messed up a circle. Oh yeah.
That's a perfect
That's
circle.
not a perfect circle.
Yep.
Why do you draw like an era? Yep. You are talking in that, I don't know what you're saying. Oh. And then that the Brillo pad. Yep. Pretend. What the hell? Oh my goodness. I didn't know you could get whiter.
Hey.
And then what's that brush? What's that called? What's it called? A beauty planter.
Beauty planter.
Blender.
I struggled to hide my eyebrows.
I know. Maybe you dye them a lot. Ooh. Ooh. Do you know how to blend? What is this? I don't know if she's using that white paint. Is it paint?
Yeah.
Paint? You put paint on your face?
No, face paint.
Face paint. Oh yeah, of course, like a clown.
That is the Kat Von D Fetish palette.
A brush, doing her mascara. Sorry. No, that was wrong. I got that wrong. Eyeshadow. Sorry. No, I'm only really good. I don't know. And then more of it. Purple. Bit of purple.
A lot of purple.
That's a lot of purple. Little pout. Imagine if so concentrated. There's a bit of makeup.
Excuse me, do you know how
I can do that with my eyes closed.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
Yeah, we're all gonna see. You didn't even look at the camera.
Yeah, because...
Is that on your eyebrows? Brown?
It's yellow.
That's brown. That is not yellow.
That is yellow.
That's brown.
The colour I used was yellow.
Yeah, well, you can't read. You look...
You have to wait until the end of the
Terrible.
No, I do not.
No, not terrible. No, that was the wrong word. Awful. Now red. Why can't you just start off with the red instead of having to go beat around the bush?
I don't know.
She didn't think of that. She's wasting time.
Shut up.
Oh my goodness.
I look sexy, no?
No.
I look sexy. Say I look sexy.
You don't look sexy. You really got black eyes.
No, I don't.
Oh, they my boxes. Oh yeah. Wow, this is a really long. You put a lot on your eyes.
I know.
When did the hairband go on?
At the beginning of the video, if you was watching.
Oh, did it? Oh, right. Not the black one.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't. That
I
was
clicked. And it went pew.
Oh, yes, but I'll start the channel for you. I definitely reckon I could have done your eyes quicker. They just should just put purple on to start with.
did put purple to
No,
start
you
off
put
with. I'm
yellow,
working
pink,
with red.
brown,
Yeah.
red.
Oh, shut up. The colours.
You're telling me you can't get a colour like that. First
The
time.
colours on. Just.
She's actually terrible at dancing.
No.
Yeah. More brown.
That's yellow.
Hint of peach. Oh. What? What's the whole point of the brush if you're going to use your hands?
No, because I need to. Shut up and watch.
What is this? She's just trying to get rid of her beard.
Beard.
Jeff.
I am not.
This is Jeff. Your hair's there. Did you not move your hair out of the way?
Leave my hair.
The baby curls. Yeah. Are you looking at a mirror?
Yeah.
Is there a mirror in front of the camera as well?
No, that just
No.
it was just my phone.
Oh. So look at the camera. FX makeup.
Mhm. Black.
Black. Black, that is. That's a cool moustache. Whoa.
It's not.
No, it's not. It's a tiny brush.
It's my lips.
No one does the moustache. Ooh, you went over the line there. See that? Goodness. So somebody with one of their glasses.
Has to be like that. Mhm. I'm trying to make those lips look luscious. Look luscious.
What's that?
Liquid eyeliner.
Eyeliner?
Yeah.
On your lips?
Mhm.
It's not really meant to use.
Look.
Oh, are you smiling? What's that move for you?
For so long.
It's weird.
I made a mistake.
Oh, you had to wipe it off.
Mhm.
Oh. Half the lips gone. No. Whoa, that's cool. Yeah. What did you say?
Like your
Why
animals.
Why did you speak to the camera?
I was singing.
That wasn't singing. You were speaking.
I'm
Oh,
singing.
goodness.
Sexy.
No,
Say
you don't look very sexy at all.
I look sexy.
No.
Say I look sexy.
Yes! No,
Say I look sexy.
not until you look sexy.
Say
Ah,
say.
you look a little bit sexy if you took the makeup off.
She is sexy.
Is that Mario?
Mario! That is not how
Whoa.
you hold the pistol. This is how you hold the pistol.
Oh. Yeah. Look at my makeup. Yeah. Wow. Did you forget to put white on the rest of your face?
No, it's
Oh, right, okay. Okay.
It's supposed to be like that.
Oh. Bit more. Is that where you messed up? Yeah.
I'm adding white
Reflection. Wow. Are we here? It's a lot more glossy now.
Now it's like a guitar.
Why would something like that have glitter on it?
Because
Oh god, why would a ghost have glitter?
not ghost.
What is it?
It's a clown.
That's not a clown. Clowns meant to look fun.
No.
And not scary
It's
like
a
that.
scary clown.
Not with lips like that.
You saying my lips are sexy now?
And then you got the red nose. Like a clown. But you didn't need to wear makeup to look like a clown.
Wait until this is finished.
Wait. Wait. Cool, a bit more of a reflection.
Eyelashes. Oh.
It's in my job. Listen, oh, they're big eyelashes. Very long. A clown wouldn't have eyelashes like this.
Because she's a sexy, scary
you're
clown.
misinterpreting that.
My eyelashes falling off.
No, you have to take it back on. With glue?
It's magnetic.
It's magnetic? Seriously?
Yeah. I'm going to put it on you after.
Actually? Wow. I thought you just tapped them on. You smudged it.
Yeah, that's
Black.
not cool. Okay.
You worked that hard. You spent that long on your lips and you smudged it. Why? Damn! Wow. That is
Killer eyes.
amazing.
Did you see my hair? I want it coloured like that.